Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Piece of Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. But today we're going to do something that's a little bit out of my element. We're going to do, let's just call it mashed cauliflower. That's what everyone else has been calling it. But I'm not going to be the first to sit up here and lie to you and say this is going to be the keto version, if that's the new diet that everyone's on. But this is going to be mashed cauliflower, and I'm going to make it so it tastes good. This is my first time making it, so I'm not going to sit here and eat something that doesn't taste good. That might involve butter, that might involve salt, pepper, and some garlic. But we're going to make it taste good. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. Let's get started with some mashed cauliflower. The ingredients are very simple for this, at least what I'm going to be using. So we got to have our cauliflower. I got one large head, one small head to make sure I got enough. Got my pink Himalayan sea salt, of course, some black pepper, a little bit of half and half, or you can use heavy cream. I got some garlic. No, I can't leave home without garlic. And of course, I'm going to have butter in this one. So that's all it's going to take. We're doing this in the power pressure cooker, guys. We're going to experience it together. So you can see I got my little wire rack. I think they call it a trivet or something like that. But I got my trivet in there at the bottom. I'm going to pour in about 1.5 cups of water. And then you can see I got my cauliflower here. We're just going to simply drop it in. Just like that. I'm going to drop it in, and I'm going to throw in about that much butter. So I'm going to end up using a whole stick of butter, but that's going to be the part that I'm going to cook it with. So it looks pretty simple, guys. So now we're just going to cover it. And we're going to lock it down here. Line up the little lines there. For this, we're going to put it on high pressure. I'm hit the meat chicken button, increment it up to high, and I'm going to bring it back to 15 minutes. This only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to cook. I'll leave it in probably 3, maybe 4 minutes. Guys, so it's been about 4 minutes. Pressure cooker, I released it, high pressure, and released it. So there's the cauliflower. So I'm over here in the pressure cooker. I'm going to take a smasher, potato smasher, and I'm just going to smash it up a little bit. Just enough. There we go. So I drained all the water off here, took my little trivet out, and so there is the cauliflower. So I mashed it down quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my butter to this. And we're going to try to mix this up in here. Mix that butter in there real good. There we go. And while we're over here in the pressure cooker, I'm going to add a nice spoon or tablespoon of garlic in it. I'm going to mash that up in there real good. Alright guys, so I'm over here and I got my handy dandy Ninja blender here with the little dough attachment, I think it is, or the dough bowl. I'm just going to take my cauliflower here and I'm going to spoon it in to the blender. Alright, so I got all my cauliflower in there, butter and everything. So I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some salt, my pink Himalayan. You know how I get down. And I'm going to add a little touch of cream to it. Now this is really half and half, but you can use cream if you want. Alright, and we're going to put the lid on it. Push that down, and we're going to blend it up. So we'll blend it up just a little bit here, and look at the consistency. It's about like mashed potatoes. And I'm going to take a little bite. Right now, I can tell you I'm going to need some salt. Garlic. I'm going to need some pepper. I told you I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm going to cook the most healthiest keto mashed cauliflower. I'm going to make it taste right. We're going to mix it up a little bit more. Alright, we're going to take another taste here. See where we're at. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. It'll pass for what I need it to pass for. So, I'm going to plate this up for you. You guys are going to see this cauliflower mashed potatoes. Big Tone's mashed cauliflower. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's pretty good. You got to season it up, make it yours. But man, it's you can make yourself think that you're eating mashed potatoes. That's really actually good. Big Tone's mashed cauliflower. Hey guys, I tried it for the first time today, so it's actually really good, guys. You might not be making mashed potatoes anymore. Give this a try without all the carbohydrates. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.